Robinson's Lawn Care, keeping it real. Staying away from them suckers, them busters, and them thieves. So, all the people who were talking about my 36 that I thought they thought I didn't have, which I did, but I didn't have a trailer. And the only way to, really deal with a 36, you gotta have a trailer. So, what I did is I ended up trading it, and now I got a 33-inch. So, I still got my Toro. My Toro Time Master. And the new edition is the 33-inch. This mug is a beast. So all those people, let me tell you, don't worry about what people say. Don't worry about what people think. Just go out, do what you gotta do, get that money, get rich, and fuck all them broke motherfuckers. Robinson's Lawn Care. Peace.